Thank you for coming to Omicron Delta Kappa's MLK Day of Service. Today our goal is to make 60 hygienic kits for the Ronald McDonald House family rooms. So the Ronald McDonald family rooms, they host families who have children who are ill and staying in the children's hospitals nearby. So I think today is really important because as families are worrying about their kids' health, we can actually as a community, we can actually make these kits to worry about them. So thank you again for coming, and I hope to see you again for next year's service project.
How you doing? My name is Javon Spencer Dewell, Chief Financial Officer for the Student Government Association. As we have here is what we've pretty much accomplished from our MLK Day of Service. It's extremely, extremely important to get back to the community while you're getting educated, while you're trying to come out into the community afterwards as a post-grad and impact the world. You can do it with the little things you have in front of you, like the toiletries, the Pampers, the little items that we have that we're giving to the public are going to impact them in a huge way. And I'm happy to team up with the rest of the school through the Student Government Association, Omicron Delta Kappa, the Campus Activities Board, the commuter assistants, and most importantly, just everybody who comes to impact the world. Appreciate you.